Hello guys, I am back with my new video of learning Python programming language. So till now we have learned about input statements, output statements, operators and conditional statements. If you are unaware about these topics, then please watch my previous videos for learning this. And today we will learn about looping statements. Basically, looping statements consist of for loop or while loop. These are used to execute a block number of times. For loop. Its syntax is for a variable in range then that block of statement. It consists of a function range. Now while loop. Basically in this, the range function is split into three different lines. Now its syntax is I, which is the initial value, then using logic operator while I should be less than equals to final value, then that block of statement and then increment of that variable. Now let's implement these on ideally. Now let's make a function of displaying something number of times, let 5 times. So the code will be like this. First we will use for loop. So like the basic syntax, the variable is n. We will use range function with final value 5. Here the default value of step is 1 and initial value is 0. Now we will do the similar thing using while loop. And the range function will be splitted into three different lines. Here the variable is n with a starting value 1, final value 5, and the step or incrementation of value will be 1. Now let's save and run this code. You will see that the statement hello world is executed 5 times using for loop and while loop. So this is how looping statement works. Now let's see how code will look like in Python version 3. So this will be similar. The basic difference is in the print statement, as in Python 3 we need parentheses. And in Python 3 also similar result will be displayed. See, similar result have been displayed. So I hope now you have learned about looping statements. Now let's expand this and explore this. Let's make a program of displaying table of 2. So the code will be like for I in range, initial value will be 1, final value will be 11, and the step will be defaulted as 1. And the block of statement will be print 2 multiplied by I. Now let's write that code using while loop. So here also initial value will be 1, final value will be 10, and the code print 2 into I, and the incrementation of value will be 1. And let's run this command. See, the table of 2 have been printed. using both for loop and while loop. For loop and while loop. I recommend you to practice this for getting a good command in looping statements. Like, subscribe and share for more. Thank you. See you later in next video.